Why are gas station drinks always colder than your fridge? It's not a fluke, it's planned. Most home fridges sit at 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But gas station coolers, 33 degrees, just above freezing. Why? Psychology and profit. Studies show super cold drinks boost impulse buys by up to 18%. That icy bottle feels better in your hand. You hear the crack, feel the chill, and boom, your brain wants it. They're not cooling drinks. They're cooling your self-control. So next time you grab one, remember, it's not just cold. It's strategically freezing. Follow for more real facts that hit different.